Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to discover router devices using behaviors, and we will see that if a particular device has more than one protocol running, how it will be classified using the classification priority, which is defined in the port group table. So there is a lot to learn, and also this video is an extension of our previous video where we talked about behaviors. I will provide the link of that video in the description. And for the time being, let's proceed with today's video. And if you have not seen that video, first watch that video and then come back to this video. So let's proceed with today's learning. Let's create behavior. For router discovery. Set up functionality. As we have already discussed, we will use this in the first phase, that is when the SISAM probe is launched. Select image server. Done. Updated. Now let's run discovery schedule. Click on new. Routers only. First, let me show you if we do not use the behavior, what happens. Make quick ranges. And discover. Now let's click on discovery status. Here you can see SISAM probe launched all these protocols since we have not used the behavior specific for the router. What we have to see how this particular device is going to be classified, and we can see that this device, this particular range that we have selected, is classified as WMI. By default, this has been done. Why? We will talk about that when we will go to port probe table. Now I will run another discovery again. So actually, let's go to this routers only discovery schedule, and this time we will use behavior. And as in behavior we have already mentioned the mid server, so it will not ask for mid server again. We have chosen router only behavior that we have just created. Range is already specified. We'll click on discover now. So let us see what is the difference. In this case, you will notice only the SNMP protocol has been launched by the SISAM probe, and the same device which was previously being classified as WMI will be now first checked if there is any network device to be discovered. Since it did not get any network device, only port that it was looking for SNMP, it did not classify the device and as anything because it did not get any network device here. If it would have got, then you would have seen that it would have classified it as the SNMP, network and router. But the difference here, you can clearly see that it has not classified as WMI at all because it was not even looking for it. It did not even send the protocol of WMI. It was not looking for this, and it is the same IP address that we have used previously. Why this happens actually? So if you go to port probe table, in the port probe table, you can see classification priority. Let's bring it up. And you can see that WMI has priority 1. So because it has a preferential privilege priority given in classification, so if a particular device is running more than one protocol, it will use this priority and classify the device according to the priority that is first hit. So suppose the device is running protocols of WMI and SNMP. Because WMI has the priority 1, SNMP has the priority 3, it will automatically classify that device as WMI. If you change this priority from SNMP to 1 and WMI to 3, accordingly the device will first be classified as SNMP. It will not go to be classified as WMI. So this classification priority here makes the difference. So in this case, behaviors are again a very important concept. So uh, if you don't want to make any changes in the classification priority, you know that the device is running more than one protocol and you want that particular thing to be discovered, you can create a behavior for that. It will only send the particular protocol for which you want the device to be discovered and then accordingly classify the device. So this is all about this video, about the port probe table, about the classification priority, how it is working and how behavior can help you to override this classification priority. So if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.